Clorox Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner Ultra Clean Toilet Tablets Bleach and Blue, Rain Clean, 4CT, package may vary. Toilet Bowl Cleaner, make your toilet sparkle with Clorox Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner Bleach and Blue tablets that leave your toilet bowl sanitary, clean and smelling fresh. Toilet tablets, the perfect addition to your cleaning supplies. This blue automatic toilet tablet cleans for up to 4 months or up to 8 flushes daily. Each tablet's lifetime may vary. DEODORIZE, flushable toilet cleaner cleans and deodorizes your bathroom with a lasting rain clean scent. Bleach toilet cleaner, simply drop tablet into tank to flush away grime with the power of Clorox Bleach. When water is no longer blue, it's time to change the tablet. This toilet cleaner does not harm septic tanks. Clorox Bathroom Cleaner, this toilet bowl drop-in continuously cleans the bowl with every flush while helping to prevent tough stains. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.